Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, where we help you spend your money wisely. Because, let's be real, nobody likes buyer's remorse. Today, we're diving into the world of mini drones. On the left side of your screen, we have the SOTAONE mini drone, and on the right, the SOTAONE S350 drone. Buckle up, because this is going to be a wild ride. First up, let's talk about the price. SOTAONE mini drone is priced at a wallet-friendly $36. That's less than a night out at a mediocre restaurant. On the other hand, the SOTAONE S350 drone costs $59. For that extra cash, you could buy a couple of fancy lattes or a box of gourmet donuts. So if you're on a budget, SOTAONE's got your back. But if you have some extra dough to blow, SOTAONE might be worth the splurge. Now, let's dive into the fun factor. SOTAONE boasts some pretty cool tricks, like toss to launch, circle fly, 3D flips, and auto rotation. It's like the drone version of a circus performer, perfect for impressing your friends or confusing your pets. Reviewers love its ease of use and fun tricks, making it a hit for indoor entertainment. Meanwhile, the SOTAONE S350 isn't backing down. It offers 4-direction 3D flips, high-speed rotation, fixed-point circle fly, and even gesture and voice control. You can pretend you're a Jedi commanding your drone with a wave of your hand. Plus, it has VR mode. Imagine experiencing a drone flight without leaving your couch. Reviewers say it's a great starter drone with awesome features, making it perfect for beginners. Next up, user-friendliness. SOTAONE is like your favorite babysitter. Super easygoing. It has altitude hold, headless mode, and adjustable speed settings. Even your grandma could fly this thing without stress. Reviewers appreciate its simplicity and durability, making it ideal for beginners. SOTAONE S350, however, is like that cool teacher who makes learning fun. It also has altitude hold, one-key takeoff, land, and headless mode. Plus, it offers 3 speed modes, making it wind-resistant at high speeds. Reviewers find it easy to control and a great value for the price, though it may take a little time to master. Battery life. Because nobody likes a drone that dies mid-flight. SOTAONE comes with 3 batteries, giving you a whopping 21 minutes of flight time. That's enough to almost finish a sitcom episode. Reviewers love the extra batteries and decent flight duration. SOTAONE S350 isn't too shabby either. It has 2 modular batteries supporting up to 20 minutes of flight time. So you're looking at just about the same airtime. Reviewers appreciate the extra battery for continuous use, making it a close call, but SOTAONE takes the slight edge here. Portability and safety. 2 things we all love. SOTAONE is mini and portable, making it great for parties, school, or even that awkward family fishing trip. Plus, it has propeller guards to keep your fingers intact. Reviewers note its compact design and durability, making it perfect for indoor use. SOTAONE S350 is foldable and fits right in the palm of your hand. It's like a transformer, but less likely to start a robot apocalypse. It also has propeller guards, low-power alarm, and emergency stop features. Reviewers find it sturdy and easy to control despite its smaller size. So if you're prone to accidents, SOTAONE might be your new best friend. Overall, reviewers find the SOTAONE mini drone to be a fantastic, budget-friendly option that's easy to use and packed with fun features. It's particularly praised for its ease of use and durability, making it a great choice for beginners and indoor entertainment. On the other hand, the SOTAONE S350 drone is seen as a feature-rich starter drone that offers excellent value for its price. With advanced features like gesture and voice control, it's perfect for those willing to spend a bit more for a more immersive experience. So which drone should you choose? If you're on a budget and want a reliable, fun drone, SOTAONE Mini Drone is your go-to. But if you're willing to spend a bit more for some extra features and that sweet 1080p HD camera, the SOTAONE S350 drone is your guy. Thanks for watching, smart shoppers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more awesome product comparisons. Let us know in the comments which drone you think is the winner and why. Until next time, keep flying high and buy smart. Product links are in the description.